Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to highlight my favorite Warren Buffett stock to buy in December. Of course, Warren Buffett is a legendary investor at the helm of Berkshire Hathaway, which is his investment holding company. He's got various types of companies ranging from the extreme value in Coca-Cola to some growth companies like Amazon in recent times, but neither of those are my top Warren Buffett stock to buy in December. So what is my top Warren Buffett stock to buy in December? Apple is my top Warren Buffett stock to buy in December, and here's why. The company's got decades of innovation proven, starting with the Mac computer, iPods, iPhones, iPads, AirPods, Apple Watch services, and you could go on and on with more and more. Noting that it's not just a one trick pony, it can continue innovating, delivering practical technology that users find extreme value in, willing to purchase it over and over again. And looking at the iPhone specifically, it's at its 14th 15th iteration, right? 15 different generations of iPhones shows just how much consumers like the product, that they keep buying it over and over and over and over again through several different cycles and upgrades, right? And that earned brand power has allowed Apple to charge premium prices that generate industry leading profit margin. When Apple comes out with a new product, it's got built in brand awareness from consumers who are willing to pay premium prices for this new product, right? Which other companies may not be able to do, at least to the extent that Apple is able to do, right? And this might be one of the reasons why Warren Buffett has been attracted to this stock, or if it's one of his lieutenants, one of his underlings who's been buying the stock for the portfolio. Nevertheless, if he disapproved of it, he would have made a note and removed it from the list. But Apple is one of the top holdings in the Berkshire Hathaway portfolio. And of course, along with Apple's hardware sales, the company has boosted the services segment. You could think of services like Apple TV Plus, Apple Music, Apple Care, Apple iCloud, all of these things that generate incremental revenues. And here's the big benefit from that is that the services segment generates a gross profit margin over 70%, whereas hardware sales are roughly around the 30 to mid 30% range. So as the services segment has been growing, that's boosting Apple's gross profit margins longer run. And so that's great news for Apple stock investors. And of course, it's always got a pipeline of new technology that's coming out that we're unaware of. They're really good at keeping their new technologies, their pipeline, secret to investors. And one thing that's been rumored is Apple's coming out with cars, right? Either electric vehicles or driverless cars, one or the other. There's been a lot of rumors circulating, so that could be a big deal if it is indeed coming out with one. If it comes out with one that is as popular, if it comes out with a car that's even half as popular as an iPhone, that could be a huge boost to Apple's revenues and profits. Because if you think about, an iPhone is, even the most expensive iPhone won't reach $2,000, right? But if you think about cars, even the least expensive car is probably going to be around $15,000. So imagine if that product becomes half as popular as an iPhone, that could be a huge boost to Apple's revenues and profits long term. And finally, the stock is not expensive, right? It's trading at a relatively fair valuation, looking at the price to earnings of 23.7 and a price to free cash flow of 21. It's about average value looking back at going all the way to 2018, so it's not expensive either. You've got an innovative company that's boosting profit margins, decades of proven brand power that's able to generate premium prices for its products, and even next generation of products, new products, all of this going on, and a pipeline of new technology. That's why Apple is my favorite Warren Buffett stock to buy in December. All right, so thank you for tuning in. If you've gained any value from this video, please go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button, and I'll see you next time. I want to thank the Motley Fool for sponsoring this video. The Motley Fool is a company that provides investing insight and stock recommendations for all investors of all skill sets and risk levels. So I'm proud to partner with the Motley Fool to bring you 10 stock picks from their popular product, Stock Advisor. Stock Advisor has beaten the market by more than 3 times. Go to fool.com/parkev to get your 10 stock picks now.